evening. The rain problems in the south last week. Today and tomorrow it's going to cause problems in the far north, but even later in the week here it does look set to settle down. It'll be chilly by night with some fog later. Those problems far from our minds at the moment. Look at that massive cloud stretching out into the Atlantic. We'll see a series of little areas of low pressure running across the north of Scotland in the next 36 hours. A brief spell of very windy northwesterly winds, a chilly wind, but then that high pressure builds from the south, and later in the week into the weekend it may well drift northwards and keep those weather fronts at bay. But for this evening and overnight, if you're heading up to Scotland, some pretty miserable conditions around, dangerous driving conditions, more heavy rain to come, still around through tomorrow morning's rush hour, and later in the day it'll sink southwards through the central lowlands, parts of Northern Ireland, maybe a few showery outbreaks for England and Wales ahead of it. But for many parts of England and Wales, tomorrow looks dry and bright, with probably more sunshine than today and hence warmer. 18 to 20 degrees Celsius is well above the average for this time of year, but you may have seen gales plastered all over the temperature chart. It certainly will be a windy day, particularly ahead of that heavy rain, and that will sweep southwards through tomorrow evening and overnight. Clearing out the way for Wednesday, that high pressure starts to come in, but those tightly packed isobars indicate gale force northwesterly winds, so really quite a chilly day here. Showers starting to ease away in the afternoon, and by Thursday and Friday our main problem becomes fog and perhaps some chilly nights in the south.